How we doing today, man? Do you guys notice something? Do you guys notice something going on right here with our account? I'm sure I titled it something, so obviously you guys know what happened. We are positive $2.88. I could hit the Dollar Tree and get something. But it's not about the $2.88. It's about the journey of what's happened to get here. We were $1,500 in drawdown on this account. $1,500. That is almost all of it because our max loss limit is $1,800. So we were about $300, $200 away from blowing the account. Blowing this current account. This is my second ever Express account. Almost blowing this account to now being back positive. We saw at one point negative $1,550. $1,550. I remember I was on live stream in my Discord doing a video, and I almost crashed out and said, you know what, screw this account. I will never get a payout from this account. I'm never going to get this out or drawdown. I need to just full port it. My last $200, I'm going to go all in. And we took a trade. So I'm going to show you guys here on that day, the exact day. I know exactly which day it was. It was a Friday because I was live streaming. I stream on Fridays and Mondays. A great stream today. It was right here. We lost a trade for $154. And on our next winning trade, we were then down immediately. We took a winning trade, but it went in drawdown like $100. So we were down $200 and something. So I started following my rules the 16th and onwards. The Friday here was the day that we had our last day, right? We've made $1,264 realized since then. But again, we had a $154 loss that Friday before. And then we also had so what's it called? So let's put in that Friday. So we made $1,356 to get out of drawdown, but we were also down $100 at one point. So the account was $200 from being blown. In how many trading days has this been? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 there. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31 trading days. One whole month of, well, not even 1 month. 31 trading days. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. 6 weeks we've made our chart look like this. And people will maybe hate on this or want to hate on this and say, you know what? It's just one account. You only made $1,300. You can't even get a payout. Blah, blah, blah. I don't even care. I don't care to hear it from you guys. I don't care. Look at this gain. Made almost $2,000, lost about $560. If we remove this day, it looks even better. We started following our rules on the 16th. Right? 16th. We've made $1,500, almost $1,600. We've only lost $400 realized. And we shouldn't have even lost $400. 2 days ago, we took a stupid loss that we should have never taken for $100. So, should be better, but it's not. 81% win percentage. Could be better. It's not. It doesn't matter, right? I'm super happy and proud of myself for bringing my account from negative $1,550 back to here. How have we done it? You guys have heard me talk about one trade a day. Only days that we took more than one trade a day. Happens, man. Happens. But besides that, one trade a day saved me. And today, I'm sure you guys know the trade I took. And wow, if we would have held a runner, not that crazy, I guess. But really, really simple trade today. London low right here. London low. Do we have an S&T? Let's pull up this chart here. Simple trade. London low, sweep. SMT at the lows. We sweep this low here, so SMT there as well. I expect us to leave this low. Why? Because this swing low, just like this one, we have a prominent swing low. What do? We sweep all the lows besides this one. I don't expect this one to get swept because this is the low, right? We're making higher lows, higher low, right? So when you're in an uptrend, you expect higher lows. So you sweep everything but the lowest low, right? So we leave this low. I anticipate that. We sweep this candle and London low with an SMT. Because of the SMT, we that was the framing. We had the SMT, we had the sweep, we had a very nice singular fair value gap. Really, really nice, beautiful, simple IFVG. I love this IFVG because we got the 2-minute close as well at the same time. We 2-minute IFVG as well. And we got in. Took this on the live stream, obviously. Got in 2 micros. Stop loss was here, but I would have closed it if it closed back below. And then we had our take profit just at London High to cover the amount that we needed to make back on the day. So we ended up getting $92. Let's just pull up the execution, and I'll kind of walk you guys through. Definitely not a bad execution, but I do close it to kind of like get my account out of the drawdown. So I don't need to be doing that. But we started the video here, and then we kind of wait, and then when we get in the trade, it's doing its thing, risking 127, starts moving. Boom, 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 boom. Drops above. Okay, we're at break even here. We let go of the stop loss a little bit early, but we shoot above this high, and I wouldn't want to see it revisit down here. So we're at break even. This is my only trade for the day. It would have been the only trade even if we lost. I'm going back to the one trade a day. I'm not leaving that. So when I got into the trade, I was saying live. I was saying this is my only trade for the day no matter what, even if it lost. So we're at break even, and then the trade's kind of doing its thing. And then, boom, we get really close to take profit 1. And then it kind of just shoots down really quickly in a second here. And kind of had me shaking out a little bit. I trail my stop, which I don't need to. But then this candle starts coming down. I'm like, oh, crap. It like shoots down somewhere pretty far. And I'm like, okay, it starts shooting down. I'm like, oh, this is scary. So I trail my take profit. I shouldn't do it, but that's all I needed to get to the even account balance. And I was like desperate for it. So we trade down to the fair value gap, and then we actually reject it really nice. And then boom, we get that order filled, and then we take our first partial. And then I let the rest go. I end up trailing my stop because I just didn't want to see it retouch that low so I could secure more. Don't need to do this. This is just me micromanaging my trade. I don't need to do this, but again, so focused on just getting even on the account that, we didn't make the best decisions. So I was kind of I didn't let go, so my stop's not actually there, and I'm like, okay, let me just let this play out, let it do its thing. I took my partial. We're going to secure something on the day. We secured $43 no matter what, and then boom, we should have just left it. We could have left it higher, right? It went up the rest of the day, but shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? I'm just waiting, and we finally get that take profit, man, and it was a beautiful sight to see because we got out of drawdown unbelievably. I'm super stoked about this, man. Right here, I think on this candle. I can't believe it, man. People hate on me all the time. People still think I'm a trash trader. People still think I'm not good. People still think I can't read the market. To y'all, I say I don't care because I know I'm good at trading. I know I can find good trades. I know I can do it consistently. I just got to fine-tune the errors in my trading. I know I'm a great trader. So everybody, right? I can't say SMD to all my haters, man. You absolutely can because I don't care about your opinion because I know I find good trades, right? Yes, I'm winning more than I normally would. Like this win percentage is really high. I'm not going to always be there. But look at this monthly chart. Some of my haters can't show a monthly chart that looks as good, right? And yeah, I know people love to say, "Oh, you made $92." Who cares, bro? I took a good trade, right? Imagine 2 minis, how much I made? $900, right? Across multiple, right? Who knows, So, yeah, I made 100 here. Cool. I'm still trying to become a better trader. I'm still not a perfect trader. I never claimed to be a perfect trader, right? But I am a good trader. I find good trades. I consistently win. I can read the market well. So shout out all the people that hate on me, but this isn't for y'all. This is for the people that believe in me and know I can succeed and know that follow my rules, things will get better. And you guys if you guys stuck with me through February and March when I was just down bad, losing all the time, just really, really lowest point in my trading career to now, you guys know the difference. So anyone that thinks I'm not improving, you are out of your mind. And I appreciate everybody that's supporting me and watching this happen because we've done something big today, which is come back from $1,500 drawdown in an account that I thought was for sure blown. I thought for sure this account was gone. $200 down the drain. And we might not get a payout from this account. That's cool. My goal on this account, I'm getting it to $1,000. I'm taking out $500. I'm going to withdraw $500 as soon as possible. As soon as I can get to a point where I can withdraw $500, I will be withdrawing that money, and you guys will see the video, my first ever trading payout. Boom, something like that. We will see that together on this account. Hopefully, we don't need that much hope, but hopefully we can get it, right? It's kind of like when I passed a eval for the first time, but I'm more happy with this. It doesn't feel as euphoric because it's not a payout, it's not anything crazy, but I have more satisfaction in this than getting my first eval pass because I've done this the right way, following my rules, taking good trades. I'm starting to just feel like it's possible, like I can do this, like I can find good trades, like, you know what I mean? It's happening. And I'm really proud of myself. And I want to just, this video is really just to congratulate myself. Pulling an account down from $1,500 drawdown, bringing an account back is something special for me, right? I don't care if it's not cool to you. And wow, we really did catch like the low of the day. That's pretty wild. All-time highs. One thing I do want to drop some sauce on y'all. I made a post about top and bottom tickers, and somebody reached out to me and was telling me about different ways they look for key levels and reversals. Wow, dude. Start marking out the 1800, 18 o'clock, whatever price range. The new day opening. I mark out a new day opening gap, but I just marked the new day opening. This is today's new day opening. Look how we reject off London high. This gave me a very high probability target because this is London high with the new day opening gap high. What do we have here? We have another one that we soup. What day was that? All the way over here. What happens to it? We reject it once yesterday. Reject it off open. We shoot through it, reject it again. Get close to it, reject it again. What happened to this one? This new day high. Reject it once, twice, 3 times. Break above it, right? Trade to it, hold them. Push above, right? It's not like, and let me show you some more. Let's keep going back. What happened here? New day gap, new day high. We trade to it. We have a decent reaction. We drop a little bit lower, sweep out liquidity, and reverse off of it. We have some even better ones. This is London high right here. London high. Opening price of the day. We sweep opening price of the day above London high, immediately dump off this level at open. This is 9:30. What else? New day price. What do? We trade down to it. We soup in this area on the 1800 price. Market opens, we deliver off of it. Wild stuff. What happens here? Like, this stuff is like magic. 1800 new day price. We have London lows stacked. Market opens. Market open. Boom. We drop down. Tag the London lows on the new day gap, the previous new day high. Boom. Immediate push up the rest of the day. These gaps are going crazy, dude. I just marked out the most recent ones. Right? It's pretty wild. So throw those on your chart. Kind of look at them. I don't know what like a strategy to trade them off of or whatever, but I think it's cool. I think it's pretty interesting, and a lot of the aggressive quick moves off open have been happening in correlation with these gaps. So that being said, man, yeah, I'm really proud of this journey to get to where we're at on this account. Nothing's been done, but progress has been made. That's what I want to get at. Is I haven't done anything crazy. I'm not getting my payout. My life hasn't changed. But my trading's going in a trajectory that looks like I can do this full time. That looks like I can be a professional trader. That looks like I'm actually, maybe dare I say, profitable, right? So I am getting lucky that I'm hitting so many trades, but this is the process. I need to just trust it more. I still feel like I'm getting lucky. I still feel like, I still just feel like I'm getting lucky because I'm so used to losing for so long that I just feel like I'm getting lucky. And, when does it not? When is it not luck? Like when is it not luck? Like I really do. I feel like it's like it can't be this easy. It can't. Trading can't. I can't be profitable doing trading this way, right? Just looking for IFEGs and looking for context and looking for draw and liquidity. Like I can't be profitable from that, right? Like there's no way. It feels like it's too easy. Like this can't be. Like I can't be profitable doing this, right? So I just feel like I'm getting lucky. Like I'm missing something. Like I gotta learn something. But maybe I don't. Maybe I am doing it what I need to do. All right? I'm not going to sit here and say I figured it all out, and by no means. But maybe I have enough in the toolkit to be profitable. That would be cool. I guess what I'm trying to get at here is I don't really know. I don't really know. Like, what am I doing? Is it sustainable? Is it profitable? Am I profitable? Like, I don't know, man. I get worried. I get skeptical. Hey, is ICT Concept's going to stop working? Our prop firm is going to go down. I don't know. This is a hard business to have this amount of skepticism. But I'm almost brute forcing my way into believing. I think that, yeah, that big key is going to be believing myself, believing the process, believing in trading working and all that for me. But I'm almost having to, like, brute force it. Like, show myself such undeniable proof that I am profitable, that this works, that trading works, that it can work for me in my hands, not just in someone else's hands, that it can work for me. That's what I'm trying to prove to myself. And we're slowly getting there because I'm not just a set on believer. I don't just believe just because somebody tells me, because I see something. I need to do it hands on myself. I need to understand it in and out. I need to see this works for me in my hands. Because if it works for you, but not for me, that doesn't put any money in my pocket. You see what I mean? So it doesn't matter how many people can tell me that they make money doing this, or that. If I can't figure out how to make it work for me, I don't know if I believe it. Not because I don't believe them. I don't know if I believe it for myself. So I still get scared. Am I getting lucky? But eventually it gets to a point where this can't be luck. This is skill. This is risk management. This is consistency. And I'm happy with that, man. I really wish I could be way more energetic today, but like I'm happy, but I'm not euphoric because we've done something special. You guys have been watching this unfold, and I'm sure, let me know. Even the people that wanted to see me do well, did any of you guys think that this account was ever going to be salvaged? I would say 95% of people probably said 99. If you would have asked me at $1,500 and draw down this account, would you be able to keep this account? I would say probably not. I'm going to try. I've done something that I would have thought was impossible or near impossible. So that type of social proof or proof of concept to myself is huge, massive if we want to go there, right? It's not a payout. It's not whatever, but it's proof of concept. $1,500 in drawdown. I made $1,500 back the right way. One trade a day. Loss and get off. Hold my trades to my target. Size accordingly. I've done it that way. And again, that's why it almost feels like luck, because how could I get this lucky? I've never been profitable over a month before. I've never consistently made money over a month before. Especially on an XFA. I've never had a positive month on XFA. We can guarantee a positive month if we just don't trade the rest of this week or next week. We can guarantee a profitable month. Even if I took 2 losers, which hopefully I don't. I don't even want to think about losing. Oh, it scares me, man. But that's the part with trading. It's never done. Yeah, we were $2, but we could go and lose our next trade and be right back to where we were 2 days ago. And that's what scares me. That's where I'm still not good enough with my mental. I'm still too scared. I'm still too scared to lose tomorrow. I'm always afraid of the next loss. Every time I win, I'm expecting that the next trade will be a loss. I'm too afraid. I'm simply too afraid. I still am. That's my biggest downfall. I'm too afraid to let winners run because I want to take green as soon as I see it. Like I'm a little greedy leprechaun. I have too much fear still because I don't believe in myself. I don't believe that I can win like have been winning. I don't believe that my trades play out the way that they've been playing out. Feels like I'm getting lucky. And I need to stop this imposter syndrome that says, oh, I can't work in my hands, because it can and it is and it will. But I can't be afraid because I'm still afraid. I've done what I needed to do, $1,500 out of drawdown. We're back out of drawdown, but I'm still afraid of tomorrow's loss when I should be excited for tomorrow's opportunity, win or lose. I'm afraid of losing. I'm afraid of losing still. I'm expecting to lose. That still scares me. That still gets me anxious. That still gets me nervous. Am I getting lucky? Will I be able to find more winning trades? Will I be able to consistently find winning trades? I don't know, man. But you are. You are finding trades. So even if you lose the next 2 trades, you've only lost 2 trades in the last 6 weeks. So you might lose next week. I might lose next week, and that will have to be fine. Because, yeah, we're back down to 0, but we're actually up 1,500. And regardless of that, we're just doing our job, taking the trades we see and executing well. So I could lose 2 trades in a row next week, and that's still fine. But I'm still so afraid of that. I don't have the answer of how to beat that. This is my documentation of it. This is where my head is at in my current spot in my journey. I'm still really terrified of losing. I'm still terrified of losing and missing out on the green. So that's kind of all I have to say there. Appreciate all you guys that have been subscribed and liking the videos, commenting, and watching the journey. It's starting to finally look very positive, and I'm happy about that. But job's not done. Job is not done. How'd you guys do today? Apex is running 90% off. Run your boys' code up. I appreciate that as always. And Alpha Futures, you have until the end of July, so a few more days now, about 5 more days, to get a 0 plan account. $79 for 50K. There's no activation fee, 1-day pass. That's a juicy deal. Juicy deal. So code Diego on both Alpha Futures and Apex. They're both running crazy sales. Look into it if you're going to get an account. If not, that's cool. But if you are, think about using your boy's code. It really helps me out. And I appreciate everyone that uses that code. So always got to plug it. And yeah, let me know how you guys did this week, how you guys did today. If you guys are having a really nice win streak like me, if you're having a tough time, how's it going for y'all? I always love seeing how you guys, keeping up with you guys. And yeah, man, if you are having a bad time and you're seeing me win, and you're used to seeing me lose, and that comforted you, just go back a few months and watch my losing videos, because you are not alone if you're losing right now in these markets. If you're losing all the time, you are never going to be alone. I'm winning right now. Doesn't mean that that's everybody. Go back, and that's why I love that I have all my documentation, because go back to March. Go back to March and February. I was getting rinsed every day. So if you're in that spot now and you're like seeing me winning and you just can't understand how I'm winning and whatever, you're losing, go and watch March and February on my channel, and you'll feel comforted. So I hope everyone's doing well, but I know objectively some people statistically are just not going to be doing really well right now. And that's okay. So if you are, just keep going, keep working, keep dialing in on your rules, keep trying to improve, and you will succeed. And I appreciate all you guys. I'll see you guys next week. Hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Hopefully you guys had a good week. Yeah, I'll see you guys. And I feel like I wanted to say something in this video. Yeah, I think I said it all. See you guys in the next one, man. I appreciate all you guys. Peace out.